Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I prepared this yumminess in one pot. Guys, I prepared this stew that was so delicious. Guys, let me introduce you to how I prepared this yummy stew.
Your one stop shouldn't be your last, so make sure you subscribe, like, share.
The list of ingredients are being displayed on your screen and to also be in my description box. Yes, we're using vegetable oil and we're also using palm oil for this recipe, which makes it a banger. Very yummy. Guys, I want you to prepare this stew after watching this recipe. Let's start the cooking process in full. I placed my pan on fire and I went to my vegetable oil and my palm oil and allow it to heat up a little bit. Backstory: I prepared this stew one morning while I was rushing to work, and hubby just told me after eating it that you need to recreate this stew, and the recreation is what we are doing right now. I placed the onions in the pot and I just stirred everything to combine. I went to my pepper mix, which has tomatoes, pepper, patache, shombo, and I just stirred everything to combine. I didn't use steamed tomatoes for this recipe, but you can use. I didn't want to use steamed tomatoes. I just stirred everything to combine. Hey guys, if you're just hearing my voice for the first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosemary, and to my returning subscribers, God bless you for always coming back. I really do appreciate. I covered the pot and I brought it to a boil. As I said, I didn't Hey Jesus, oh my God, this is holiness inside one pot. I went to my ginger and garlic paste. I went to my crayfish, my seasoning cubes, salt to taste, curry and nutmeg. Then I just stirred everything together. Guys, we're using shrimp seasoning cube because you will see it has to be fishy, you know. I stirred everything together for you to understand the assignment. They have to marry. They have to become brothers and sisters, which is very important. Guys, this stew is yummy. Are you people seeing I'm hailing this stew? That vegetable and palm oil mix is on another level. No jokes. So I covered everything and allow it to boil again. This stew is ready because the oil is already floating on top, but it's not yet ready because we need to pour so many things inside of it. And I put in my dry stockfish, my dry fish, stockfish, and smoked fish. This is the secret ingredient that I need to put in this stew to make it 100% rich, because you need that stockfish to release its flavor, you need the dry fish to release its flavor, you need the catfish to release its flavor. Everything release your flavor. That's what we are doing here. Then I went to my pomo. You guys know I like pomo in my stew. No carbs about that. Then I covered it and I brought it to a boil again. Are you seeing this yumminess in this pot? Are you people seeing what's going on in this pot? This stew, oh my goodness, oh God. The aroma is on another level. The taste is on another level. Guys, I'm hailing this stew so much in this video and I'm sure you can tell from my voice. I went to my fried fish and beef so that it can enter and collect the oil. It needs to take in the oil and let me stir everything together so they will understand the assignment. You guys know, if they don't understand it, what did I gain? They need to marry. Father, mother, sister, brother, all of them need to marry. went in with extra seasoning cube. Then I went in with a lot of crayfish because it's time for us to seal it up, seal it. I just stirred everything together to combine, to make sure that daddy and mommy understand what they are doing. And I covered it again and brought it to a boil. Guys, meat perfection in itself. Guys, are you seeing that it's doing Guys, this stew makes sense, guy. I want you to try it and actually give me a comment in the comment section. And I enjoy this yumminess with a plate of rice. See you in another video. Bye. Love you, one love.